Hello YouTube, Andy, Cam Reacts here with a reaction I was not aware I was going to do as of 2 minutes ago. I was wrapping up another reaction and I saw this was released just 2 hours ago and I'm like, you know what? It's not very often that I'm on top of it enough I just realized something. I'm not on top of it usually enough to catch a song that just came out, like literally just came out, and Blackpink just released Deal or Jump. So I'm just gonna get right into it. If you don't know who I am, I'm a Korean American that's followed Korean music for a very long time, since the late 80s to the early 90s. Blackpink has been on my radar in terms of how I just know how big they are. They're the biggest girl group in the world, not just K-pop. And I've followed them little by little. Albeit not a very avid follower of them, but I have enjoyed their music, and I have a few reactions in the past where they've definitely it's obvious that there's something to them that draws people's attention. So here I am with Dio. There's probably no other content for it, so this will be a very short one considering my usual format where I like to react to the same song over and over and over again in different formats, whether it's a live performance or a radio performance or if it's available, a dingo or the first take, whatever it is, right? This came out 2 hours ago. There's probably no other content for it, so it might be short, which is, like I said, unusual for my channel. But let's get into it. Blackpink's Dio. Where's my volume? Jeez, production of the music video so far. And by the way, it's like a collection of soloists, right? They're all so big now on their own. I don't think that sounded like Rosé at all. At least it's not the usual. Should get out of their mouths. All right, interesting. But the concept of the music video also.
I ain't gotta explain. I'm with all of my sisters, got him going insane. Yeah, you know we on a mission. All gas, no brakes. Yeah, breaking out of this system, breaking out of this cage. Yeah, bet you get enough. Ain't that did enough? 순간 있지만 누가 누군지. Think you're running out? Just be gonna walk it, talk it. 눈 감고 하나 둘 셋. Deal. Deal.
I'm so entertained.
So come on with me, I'll take you high. That prima donna spice up your life. You know I got that shit that you like. So come up with me, run up, jump. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me open up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Blackpink in your area.
It's already over. It's already over. It's already over. That was the shortest 3 minutes in a long time. So I've heard Blackpink do the typical, not typical, but the traditional like YG sound, you know, boom ba ya, like what's the doo 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 doo, you know, those songs. I've also heard them do the slightly rock, in the style of YG production, like what's that song called? That I actually like the song. Lovesick, for example. We've also seen them do hip hop stuff like Whistle and such. I don't know if I've ever heard Blackpink do this kind of song. The instrumentation was so not what I am so used to, and you kind of start hearing Blackpink. You start, or not. Let me back up and say, when I listen to a Blackpink song for the first time, I feel like I kind of had them figured out to some extent. This does not fit. Color me impressed. I feel like this was nothing like Blackpink in the traditional sense. I don't know if this has YG in it at all. Like, I do see YG here. Blackpink only, I think, is still YG. Even if not all the members are under YG's contract, but I think Blackpink as a group still exists under YG. The music video also so different, I feel like, from what I've seen in the past of them. Now, don't correct me if I'm wrong. Forgive me if I'm wrong, because I don't know all of Blackpink's discography to say, like, for sure, this is the first time I'm hearing this sound from them. But to me, it's very, very brand new. I gotta listen to it again. Dave Myers, Rose, Jenny, Jisoo, Lisa, Blackpink.
I'm not that easy to tame.
So I heard this part and I was like, oh, maybe it's gonna be like can't even finish my sentence. I think the concept of this music video is like genius.
So come up with me, I'll take you high. That prima donna spice up your life. You know I got that shit that you like. So come up with me, run up, jump. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me upping up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Are you not entertained? I ain't gotta explain. I'm with all of my sisters, got him going insane, yeah. You know we on a mission, all gas, no brakes, yeah. Breaking out of this system, breaking out of this cage, yeah. Bet you getting that.
I actually really like the second verse.
So come out with me, I'll take you high. That prima donna spice up your life. You know Blackpink in your area.
I honestly, I'm at a loss for words. I don't even know if I like the song right now. Like, it's so not what I expected. It's. I have a feeling the music video is upping my enjoyment of the song a lot more than maybe if I heard it on just audio first. I love the concept of the music video. Everyone's excited for Blackpink. They're coming out. They're watching them. I'm gonna play the music video as I talk about a little bit. There, everyone's excited for Jump, right? Dave Myers and all the single each lady, Rose, Jenny, Lisa, Jisoo coming in. Everyone's amped up, and then they start listening to the song, and then they start jumping, and then Blackpink's in their ear is in their ears literally, and it's affecting everyone with those lights that are like the lights represent. Although this part, not sure how to metaphor that part, but you know, in the brain and inside them, they're fanatics, right? And then this part, they're singing, and now the song is making them all go crazy. They all look great, by the way. Whatever happened to Rose, I'm not sure what it is, but she looks great. Like, maybe healthier, because I always thought she was on the skinny side, like a little scary skinny. And that hair right there with the buns, it fits her really well. Some of the effects are obviously intentionally done in a manner that is like a little on the corny side, and I think that's clearly intentional. I really like the second verse, by the way. I'm actually really looking forward to hearing the song on the car, in the car. I'm not sure what part of that is CG and what part of that is real. In terms of like their body, maybe it's just their face that's real and then their body's fake. I can't tell.
Blackpink in your area.
I still can't formulate an opinion on the song in terms of like how much I personally like it or don't like it. I can't tell. I have no idea. But I want to keep listening to it, so I think that's a sign that I do enjoy the song. Let me back up and say they truly are like the biggest act in K-pop right now. I mean, BTS had that crown for a bit, and then Blackpink was running them for their money, and then Blackpink kind of overtook them. This is my opinion, globally popularity wise, and then BTS had to take their hiatus due to the military service, their mandatory military service in Korea. And man, like, and even Blackpink as a group took a while for them to come back. But you know, Jennie had Mantra and Like Jennie, which still is in like the top 10 charts for Korea, I believe. Rosé took over the world for a few weeks with Apatu. Jisoo dominated Korea with Earthquake, the charts in Korea. And then I know Lisa popped off with F Up the World, which I was never able to get on YouTube without getting it blocked. I am not sure. I had like 12 or 13 different versions of it edited, filtered, and at some point I just said, freak it, I'm gonna filter as in like put a black like thing on the video, right? I still couldn't get it up. It was obviously an audio thing, and unless I start cutting it up all the way through, I don't know what it was. But I could never get that up online. But all I could do is like just clap. Like, I don't think it's very uncommon for a world popular, incredibly popular, the most popular group being able to sustain it for a long period of time and also still have the longevity and also pursue their solo careers, but also still be able to come together. And we'll see how successful or unsuccessful, we don't know yet, Jump will be. It's only been 2 hours since the song came out. It's got 2.6 million views as of this moment. Sheesh. I think all of my viewership on my channel combined might equal 2 million. I don't think it does. Anyways, all this to say, kudos to Blackpink. Kudos to each member. I thoroughly enjoyed the music video. I don't know how much I will like the song after this reaction, but I'm so looking forward to jamming in it with it, jamming out within it. English difficult. I'm looking forward to listening to the song as I commute to work in my car tomorrow. My car sound system is different from the headphones. I start hearing things I did not hear in these headphones, and vice versa, right? And I just want to, without any visuals, like, because this music video is hilariously entertaining. I love the music video. I'm looking forward to seeing how it sounds just sonically. Out of 10, I'm gonna give Dio this moment a 9 out of 10. I really enjoyed it. I don't know what it is. It's so not typically up my alley, but it's so fun. I like it. 9 out of 10. This out of 10 score, by the way, is completely biased, completely subjective, not objective at all. It's based completely and solely on how much I personally like a song, and that's it. I'm not critiquing them musically, vocally, lyrically, whatever it is. I'm not qualified for that. I could only just give you my opinion. With that said, give this video a like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more stuff from me. I have a Discord, I have a Patreon. Patreon's been pretty quiet on my end, but I will still advertise it because that's the best place for you to directly message me for any requests you so desire. Otherwise, put what you suggest below. That was fun. Have a great day, good evening, good morning, wherever you are, whatever time is. Be safe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.